Hi, so I'm back again, but now with compound interest with variables f, p, I, small I, j, t, n, and m. So a brief explanation. So compound interest is calculated on the principal amount plus the accumulated interest. This means that your money grows faster since interest is or his interest is earning interest. In short, compound interest is faster and increasing growth. So let's go back to the variables. F is the future value, which I explained on the simple interest. P is the principal. Capital I is the interest or the amount. We don't have R here, so we move to I, which is the periodic interest rate or the rate applied per compounding period. J is the nominal annual rate, but without compounding considered. T is the time. N is the total number of compounding periods. M times T. And then M is the number of compounding periods per year. So like you have annually, so which is 1, semi-annually, which is 2. So the formula for F is F equal to P quantity 1 plus J raised to N. I'll just use this since this is the same thing as P quantity 1 plus I over M raised to MT. Since MT is N and I over M is J. So using the formula equals P multiplied, oh sorry, I want this, oh there, multiplied by quantity 1 plus J raised to N, which is 11,025. Next, we have P as 1,000 multiplied by quantity 1 plus J raised to N. We'll get 1,210. For P, we'll be using the formula P. Okay, so P equal to F over quantity 1 plus J raised to N. Using this formula, we'll get P, which is 10,000 and 1,000. So equal to the future value over quantity 1 plus J raised to N, which is 10,000. Next, we have future value over quantity 1 plus J raised to N. There we have it, 1,000 as our principal value. For tree, formula for I, so we'll just use the simplest formula, which is I, oh no, wrong. I is equal to F minus P. Sorry. I is equal to F minus P, so equal to F minus P, which is 1,025. Next, equal to 1,210 minus 1,000 is equal to 210, which is the same thing as part 2 and part 1. Next, for part 4, the formula for I. So since some of my keyboard elements are not functioning well, I cannot use the formula given. So either I use the calculator or I look for another formula. So if I try this formula, I is equal to quantity F over P raised to J minus 1. We'll try this one first. Okay, so, oh no, not J. We'll use, sorry, I is equal to quantity F over P raised to 1 over N, then U minus 1 again. We'll try this one. Equal to quantity F over P raised to 1 over Rn is here, and then minus 1. We'll see if we get 5%. Oh no, so this formula is not the right formula. We'll just stick with the formula given. So the formula is basically I minus, or I is equal to, sorry, I is equal to M the empty root of, so the formula is I equals to M quantity multiplied by quantity empty root, the empty root of F over P minus 1. And my keys are missing. Okay, we'll look for the symbols instead. Okay, so it won't tap. I am so sorry. Let's see. It won't tap. I'm trying to tap here, but it's not functioning. I cannot type the formula for I, but again the formula for I is equal to M quantity, or multiplied by the quantity empty root of F over P minus 1. So instead I'll just use my calculator again. So we have M as 1, and then the emptied root, so 1 and 2 times 2, F is 11,025 over 10,000 minus 1, which is 0.05 or 5%. Next, we have this given, which is, I'll just look for another way to type the formula. If I could use another laptop. So for this we have m as 2 multiplied by the mt. So m is 2 multiplied by 1. Year f is 1210 over 1000 minus 1. So that is 10%. So yeah, which is 10%. Next, part 5, which is we're looking for J. So J, the formula of J is the nth root of f over p minus 1. I still cannot type it. So instead, I'll just use my calculator. So the n root, so n here is 2 of f, 11,025 over 10,000 minus 1 is 0.05 or 5%. Next, we have, okay, we'll see this one. Okay, so our n here is also 2, and then 1210 over 1000 is 0.1 or 10%. Part 6, we have the formula for part 6, or the t, is a log, which is, in my formula, is log of f over p, or log f over p, all over, or over m log 1 quantity 1 plus I over m. Again, t is equal to log quantity f over p over m log quantity 1 plus I over m. I also cannot type it right now, so I'll just look for a way, or if not, I'll just leave it blank, the formula. So using the formula, I'll use my calculator. So log of f, which is 11,025 over p, 10,000 over m. M here is 1 log 1 plus I here is, interest is 5%, over m is 1. So we get 2. Next, we have log 1210 over 1000. I am so sorry, madam, for the interruption. My tablet storage got full and the video and the screen recording just stopped. So I left off with part 6, example 2. So I'll go back. So we'll solve it using the formula. Oh no, not part 6. this part.
Part
Part
6
6
in
in
the
the
G
G column.
column. So
So we have the,
this
this
is
is
for
for
the
the
T.
T.
So
So
we
we
have
have
log
log
11,025
11,025 over 10,000 over the
m
m
to
to
log.
log.
So
So we get 2.
oh no, one.
Oh no, 1. It's 1.
Again.
Again.
Wrong
Wrong
input.
input, sorry.
There,
There, we get 1.
we
We
get
get 1.
one. Now let's move on to
Now
the
let's
last
move on to the last part
using
using
the
the
formula
formula
for
for
n.
n.
N is
n
just
is just
the log
the
of
log of
1 plus
1
our
plus
j
our j
is
is
5%
5%
per 1
per 1
or
over or
quantity
quantity
11,025
11,025
over
over
10,000,
10,000,
which
which
is
is
2.
2.
And last part,
And last part,
we have
we have
log of
log
1
of 1
plus
plus
our j is
our j is 10%,
f
f
10
1,020 over
10
1,000 is
is 2.
2. So I
Finish
finish
the
the Excel.
I'll
I'll just
just input
input
the
the
other
other
formulas
formulas later
if
if
my
my
laptop
laptop
will
will
allow
allow
me
me
to.
to. It is currently madam, my
Here.
there 151 of Sunday, September 14.
Time check
Time check
151
151 Sunday, September 14.